Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope that you guys are fine and doing great. Today we are here bringing another video for you guys, and today we're going to discuss with you that why there is a very high ratio of failure faced by new businessmen. Why entrepreneurs are often unable to execute their dreams, their goals into realities, and why they are unable to develop their business ideas into successful, sustainable business prospects. We're going to share very useful tips for you if you're looking to start up a new business, and the tips shared with you will enable you to further develop and enhance your existing business. So, if you are willing to grow your business, listen to our video to the end because we are going to share with you very valuable tips. And our today's video will help you enable you to convert your business into a successful, sustainable, growing business. So, friends, you can get in touch with us. It is very easy. You can write us an email at hamza110@gmail.com. This is our email ID. Okay, and you can get in touch with us on the mobile phone. Our mobile number is 0322 666 0540, and you can also get in touch on our Facebook page, and our Facebook page name is Hamza Bilal CA and HCA Accounting Professional. We are here to help you guys, and it is always a pleasure to hear back from you guys. So, friends, let's move forward. Uh, and business failure. Entrepreneurs have the potential to think about something. And believe me, if something comes in your mind, if something comes in a human mind, then it is always achievable. Then you can achieve it, then you can convert it into a reality. But unfortunately, entrepreneurs are often unable to build their ideas into sustainable business. According to a research, only 20 to 30% businesses are able to survive for 15 years or more. We wish that yours could be one among those 20 to 30%. We will discuss with you the reason of failure of those 70 to 80% businesses with you in our today's video. So please listen carefully, listen till end. If there are any questions, you can always get in touch with us as explained in our previous slide. So guys, what causes such high ratio of failure of new businesses, that is 70 to 80% businesses unable to continue to 15 years or more? Why? Market research and analysis is fundamental for your success. In order to be successful, to achieve success, you need to carry out research into the market you're planning to enter. And before entering, you need to be aware of following matters: customers' need, want, and desire. Competitors. Who will be your competitor? If you are entering into an already developed market, then who will be your competitor? What is the niche you are going to serve? What is the need you are going to serve? Are there any gaps between what? Between customer need and existing available goods. Why I'm referring it here? Because it provides you the business opportunity to fulfill this gap, and this will enable you to become the first choice of your target customers. Any untouched areas, maybe a physical location, like I'm in Faisalabad and there is a dire need of a good Chinese restaurant, there is a dire need of a good breakfast point. We coming from Lahore or cities like that uh, find very hard to find a good place of Chinese or like breakfast here in Faisalabad. So existing available goods and services, then you need to identify any untouched areas, whether a physical location or the product or service you are trying to provide. Are your competitors selling online? If no, then it is the opportunity for you to be the first entrant, because online market is the future. E-trade is the future of your business. You should have online presence, because in future customers are going to simply use their internet connections, go online and order whatever they need from the convenience of their homes. And if you have to become successful and become sustainable in the long term growth, then you need to have a strong online presence, and you are always advised to invest on that. You need to understand what the market trend, the customer buying habit. Are customers more sensitive to price, or do they prefer quality and are willing to pay whatever it takes? What is their buying preference in the market, in the area you are going to launch your product or service? You need to understand it. It will enable you to plan your product and service and its price accordingly. What added benefit you will provide to the customer? Why will the customer be attracted towards you? Why he will purchase your product or service? What you are going to offer? The differentiating factor, you need to identify it and work on it. The stronger it is, the stronger it is that you are likely to attract sales and customer attention towards your business. So what added value you are going to provide to your target customers? Friends, what is your mission? What is your mission? What is your objective and strategy? You need to be very clear about it. Whether you want to be a price leader, whether you want to offer the best quality in the market, whether you want to be an online business with a stronger online presence selling worlds globally in the global village, or whether you are targeting a specific area or a market where you are looking to develop your business. What is your vision? What is your mission? You need to write down on a piece of paper why you are entering into a particular business, what product or service you are going to offer, where do you want to see yourself in the next 1 year, in the next 5 years, in 10 years, in 20 years. What should be your revenue after 15 years? What should be your customer base after 15 years? What repute do you want to enjoy among your customers after 15 years? Where in the world do you want to locate yourself, or do you want to become a global business? If you are clear about your vision and mission and objectives, then you will be able to adopt your strategies keeping in mind that vision and mission. And once you have a clear objective, you have carefully drafted the strategy, and you are monitoring those strategies against your results, then in the longer run, you are going to be the one among those 20 to 30% sustainable, successful businesses. So understand your market, understand your goal, your business, your preference is the number two. What is the number 3 point? You definitely need money in order to launch your business, in order to launch the product or service, in order to promote your brand, in order to pay your liabilities in the form of utilities, in order to pay the expenses of promoting your brand, in order to meet the expenses like salaries, like paying your utility bills, like paying your rents, like provision, like delivery of goods and services to the customer. Whatever is the cost of operating the business, you need to have sufficient cash flow for at least 1 to 2 years business at your hand when you're starting it. You need to have some money arranged by negotiating with the banks. You need to have certain lenders in your mind who will be willing to lend for your business, who will be willing to provide. Are you going to enlist yourself in the stock exchange? Because that will provide you people, shareholders who are willing to invest in your business. Are you willing to provide debentures, offer debentures in the market? Are you willing to raise finance through bank financing? Or are you planning to obtain finance from any government initiative offered to new entrepreneurs in some countries, in some regions across the globe? You need to carefully identify the sources of finance you have available with your business. How much equity you are willing to invest, how much you are going to generate from your operations, how much you can arrange from banks, how much you can raise through equity. Are there any government schemes available for your new business? What are the types and sources of finance that will be available for you? What are the terms that you can agree with your trade creditors, because it is a finance that is at a very low cost, and it is preferred by businesses to manage their working capital. So what sources of finance you have available, you need to know them, and you need to carefully list out all those plans, and you need to know that which source of finance best suits your business. You need to know your three P's: the product or service you are going to provide to customers, what differentiation you will provide, what need or gap you are going to fulfill, what price you are going to charge for your product or service, and what is the place, the physical location and online presence of your brand. You need to plan these three P's of your business successfully, carefully, and in depth in order to ensure success for your business. Because why customer will buy your product if there are so many products available in the market? What value you are going to provide? Are you going to offer better after sales service? Are you going to offer delivery at customer's doorstep? Are you going to offer any discounts? Are your product offering any additional features while compared to the competitors? How you can add value and provide more value added services to your customers? So the product, the price, whether you want to be a price leader, you want to offer discounts, or you are providing the quality, you are the quality guy, and you are going to charge higher in return for the quality. And what is the place, the physical location, and the online presence you want for your business? So you need to carefully plan about your three P's in order to achieve success for your business. You should build in flexibility and adaptability in your business. Always keep yourself aware of market trends. You need to be ahead of your competitors. Innovate, improve your product and service, offer new solutions to the customers. Keep an eye on changing customer needs and wants and preferences. Continuously work on innovating, continuously work on improving the quality of product or service you are offering to the customers. Always be open, always be flexible and adaptable to your business environment if you want to be successful over the long term, because we have seen many successful companies failing, like Nokia. There are many other examples available which were once market leaders, but they were not investing on improving their product and service. They were not open to market trends. They were not actively identifying the customers' changing needs and preferences. They were not investing on innovation. And what ultimately happened, that those who were doing these things achieved sustainable business growth for their businesses, and these market leaders left their customers and clients for others to capture. If you want to be successful over the long term, you need to develop a flexible business which is willing to improve its product and service, and which is willing to offer product and service in a better manner to the customers. So innovation is the key. Flexibility is the key. Adaptability of your business to the business environment and to changing customer needs is the key. Manage growth carefully. Once you have planned your business, you have sufficient finance, you've introduced your product, you have obtained customer satisfaction, customer appreciation, customers are willing your product, you have gone through the initial 2 to 3 years of launching your business, and now you are willing to grow. You are willing to expand the volume, you are willing to enter into new markets, you are willing to provide new products, willing to offer new services, whether attached with your current product or service or maybe entirely different, whether a market which is linked with the current market or maybe a market which is currently different, whether addressing current customer need or maybe customer needs that are entirely different from needs you are currently meeting. You need to plan your growth carefully, carry out feasibility studies, study the market trends, plan your 3 Ps, make sure that suitable finance is available for you. Once you have seen the initial stages, you need to plan for growth carefully. Strong internal controls are very important. You should develop strong internal controls in order to manage growth phase successfully. You should develop your 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year, and 10 year plans. You, you may even revisit your vision and mission statements. Information systems are the key. If you have information available with you on time, and if you have full information available, the focus, the business, the changing market trends, the unfulfilled gaps and needs of the customers, the untouched market areas, if you have all these information available with you, then you will be able to make the right decision at the right time and capture the decision, capture the benefit of first entrant into the market in that untouched area you are trying to touch now. Invest on hiring, developing, and retaining good human resource. Invest on research and development activities. Plan your expansion carefully. Develop and monitor the KPIs for your business by benchmarking those who are the market leaders and also keeping in view the management style, the culture of your organization, the vision and mission you are going after. Monitor your performance against your KPIs actively. Be a socially responsible business that plays its role towards sustainable environment. Develop a strong reporting mechanism. Develop a strong business and personal performance evaluation system. Be transparent, honest, and fair in your dealings. Invest on trainings and developments and develop a culture of learning. Disaster recovery plans are very important. You need to be adaptable and flexible in your approach. Invest on becoming the first choice of your target customers and promote your brand. By doing these things, you will be able to achieve success and you will be able to develop a sustainable business. Manage the risk and reward faced by your business. You need to identify and list down all the risks that are faced by your business. Might be any political risk, might be that you are facing cash flow crisis, or might be a weakness in internal controls, or might be changing customer needs, or might be that large market players are entering into the market. Whatever risk your business is facing currently, you need to identify them, write down them, and then identify the impacts that if these risks materialize, what is going to be the potential impact on your business, then prioritize those risks and then plan actions against these risks, whether to remove these risks, whether to accept these risks, whether to avoid these risks, whatever you think appropriate for your business. Always dream big. We wish you best of luck for your business. Friends, thank you for being with us for our today's video. Keep us posted. Take good care of yourself and your families. We wish you success in developing sustainable business that is one among those 20 to 30%. We are always available at your disposal at our email address, at our Facebook page, and at our mobile number. Thank you for being with us. Take good care of yourself.